My beloved brothers and sisters, there is a message so powerful, so beautiful, that if it truly enters your heart, it can change the way you breathe, the way you walk, the way you live. This message is Tawhid, the oneness of Allah. What is Tawhid? Tawhid is not just a concept. It is not a textbook chapter. It is the deep knowing that your Lord is one. Your protector is one. Your sustainer is one. Your helper is one. It is the soft whisper of peace inside your heart that tells you, you are never alone. Listen to how Allah introduces himself to us so beautifully in Surah Al-Ikhlas. Say He is Allah, one. Allah, the eternal refuge. He neither begets nor is born, nor is there to him any equivalent. Subhanallah. This entire surah is a complete explanation of Tawheed, and Allah repeats this message throughout the Qur'an. Allah, there is no deity except Him. There is no deity except Him, the exalted in might, the wise. Indeed, I am Allah, there is no deity except me, so worship me. That you not worship except Him. Each of these verses is like a gentle reminder from Allah. Your Creator, your Protector, your Provider, is one. What Tawheed does to your life. When Tawheed settles in your heart, your worries become lighter, your mind becomes clearer, your soul becomes calmer, because you realize Allah is in control, Allah knows, Allah sees, Allah is with you, and Allah gives us the simplest, most powerful formula. Al-Fatiha 1:5. It is you we worship and you we ask for help. That's Tawheed in action, turning to Allah first, relying on Allah fully, trusting Allah completely. My brothers and sisters, Tawheed is not just the beginning of faith, it is the heartbeat of a believer. It is the oxygen of the soul, the light that guides you, the anchor that holds you firm during every storm. Strengthen your Tawheed, and by the will of Allah, your entire life will be strengthened.